Hello students, how are you? Now I will talk about the application of lens formula. The first problem is the focal length of a camera lens is 20 cm. Find how far away from the film must be the lens be set in order to photograph an object located at a distance 100 cm from the lens. So from the problem, f equal to 20 cm, u is equal to minus 100 cm, because an object located at a distance 100 cm from the lens, and negative sign can be taken according to the sign convention. And here you find the value of v. Now put the value of u and f in lens formula. So 1 by v equal to minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. So now put the value. One by v equal to minus 1 by 100 plus 1 by 20. From here you get the value v equal to 25 cm. You get v equal to plus 25 cm. That means v is positive. So the image is real. For next problem, a convex lens forms an erect and 3 times magnified image of an object placed at a distance 10 cm in front of it. Find number 1 the position of image and number 2 the focal length of the lens. So for convex lens forms an erect and 3 times magnified image. That means v by u equal to 3. So v equal to 3u, and also say an object placed at a distance 10 cm in front of it. That means in front of lens. So the sign, according to sign convention, the u is negative, minus 10 cm. So now put the value 3 into minus 10, that means minus 30 cm. So you find the position of image. And for number B, the focal length of the lens. So you know the value of u, that means distance of object, and distance of image. So now from the formula of lens, 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. So that means 1 by minus 30 plus 1 by 10 equal to 1 by f. So you get f equal to 15 cm. So for convex lens, the focal length is also positive. So the focal length of the lens is 15 cm. Thank you for watching.